A blessed day mga ka-faith. Alam mo ba na mayroong prayer of blessing na mismong si Lord ang nagbigay? Numbers chapter 6 verse 24 to 26. The Lord bless you and keep you. And the Lord make His face to shine upon you and be gracious to you. And the Lord lift up His countenance upon you and give you peace. At para mas madaling tandaan, gamitin natin ang acronym BGP. Una, blessing. The Lord bless you and keep you. Si Lord mismo ang nagpo-provide at nagpo-protect. Ang blessing niya ay hindi lang material, kundi spiritual at eternal. Pero hindi lang blessing, grace. The Lord make His face to shine upon you and be gracious to you. Kapag ngumiti si Lord sa iyo, ibig sabihin, you have His favor and grace. Undeserved, pero ibinubuhos niya sa iyo. At kapag may grace ka, natural na dumating ang peace. The Lord lift up His countenance upon you and give you peace. Ito ang peace na hindi kayang ibigay ng mundo. Kahit may trials ka, may assurance ka na kasama mo siya. Kaya tandaan, blessing, grace, and peace. BGP. This is Pastor Francis. Follow, like, and share para mas marami pa ang mabless. God bless. Shalom.